How to redeem your gift card on Domino's. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's video I will show you how you can redeem your gift card on Domino's. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now say that you have a specific gift card and now you want to apply those to your balance. Well, in that case you have to just go ahead and then open up your browser, and once you open up your browser, in the search box you just want to go to dominos.co.in. Now this IN depends upon the region that you're currently living in as well. Once you go to dominos.co.in, put in /gift-vouchers. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box, so you can go ahead and then check that out respectively if you want to. Once you go ahead and then simply enter your queries over here, but simply hit the go button, and as you hit the go button, here you'll see all of these details. And in order to go ahead and then actually redeem our gift card, we would have to tap on the option called gift card, which is right over here at the top of the menu bar. Once you go to the redeem our gift card option, over here you'll find the option called activate your gift card. Now what you have to do is you have to simply go ahead and enter your card number, your card pin, your mobile number, and then verify the captcha, and you have to get the OTP code to your mobile number. After you verify the code, on the next page your gift card will be successfully applied. And that's all it takes to redeem your gift card on Domino's. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.